An issue that a lot of policymakers are talking about in Lansing and a lot of voters are talking about is ballot reform in Michigan. In the United States, initiative and referendum is a process that allows citizens of many states to place new legislation on the ballot or place laws recently passed by the legislature on the ballot and vote on it. One would think this is a good thing as it encourages active citizens in a democracy. The initiative and referendum process itself is politically neutral. It has been employed by all kinds of groups for all kinds of causes, including both those in favor of increased spending and those who seek to curtail spending, by people in favor of medical marijuana and people opposed to affirmative action. The problem is that it's easy for outside special interest groups to buy their way into the process. For example, Michigan was vulnerable when the wolf hunt was enacted because Michigan is a referendum state, meaning a predetermined number of signatures could qualify a ballot measure that would repeal a law passed by the legislature, such as the wolf hunt. Minnesota and Wisconsin have also enacted wolf hunts, but they were not subject to a threat from HSUS as they are not right-to-referendum states. Groups like HSUS will pay petition circulators per signature as a method of meeting the signature requirement. Remember 2012 when interest groups put 6 ballot proposals on the ballot, ranging from repealing the emergency financial manager law, constitutional right to collective bargaining, home health care constitutional amendment, a renewable energy mandate, North American free trade crossing, and a 2/3 vote of the legislature to raise taxes. There are policy solutions that would improve this process, and both Democratic and Republican members of the legislature have expressed interest in reforming this process. One option is to ban the practice of paid circulators. The other is to require that petition signatures come from all geographical areas in Michigan. An example of that would be to require a certain percentage of the signatures to come from each state Senate district, as opposed to the majority of signatures coming from the most populated counties. Check out Michigan Farm Bureau's policy on election law and state policy number 54, elections policy, and we would appreciate your policy suggestions on this important issue.